Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video going to focus on the page 401 and 404, and let's build a generic message that we will be using in our snake bar. It's going to be very simple, as you can see in the image. So I'll place everything at the center. So in order to do that, we have to do dflex or flex colon. Another div, we will place everything in the center. So dflex justify center. And we will use the Lottie animation or the Lottie player that we have implemented before. We have to import the animation data. So this is the animation. And let's, of course, we have to customize the width and the height of the animation. Text and the button that will allow the user to navigate to the home screen. Class, again, dflex and flex colon, to make this div behave as a multiple rows, and align center and justify center. So let's add an inline style for the min height, 100 viewport height, and the padding top. Let's do 500 pixels. The typography, it's going to be H5. Text red, darken, paste the text. You can paste the text in constants, but we don't care actually if we hard code this or not, because it's going to be a fixed page. After this, I'm going to add another div, normal button, and on click, we will navigate to home screen. I'm going to create here a router, push, and the name of the route. That's, of course, that we are going to, in the onboarding, going to configure the route naming for each screen. Constants and screens and home screen. Leading icon, they call it prepend icon, material design icon, and home. This button has to be bigger. The padding horizontally, it's going to be 16. Do here return home. So that's pretty much it for the components. Let's just style swiftly the Lottie player. The position should be absolute. The width, let's do 700. So that's pretty much it for the 401. With the same way 404. What we will change is just the text here. You can create a reusable component, but I think it's fine for readability purposes. I think it's fine here. I guess instead of red text, gonna do on background. So with the same way, gonna change this one. On background. The next component in this folder, it's gonna be for the generic message. For the typography, it's gonna be text body 2. The text is going to be of type string, and we do here props text. Well, you can do again interface, or you can do here, for example, type props and equal. Those two propositions or the two declarations are valid. That's it for this part of the tutorial. Next, we're going to create the snake bar and the loader and breadcrumbs. So as you can see here, we have a lot of components that we have to deal with, but this is going to be for the core UI. Whenever we try again to create components that's going to be reusable, not only for this project, but for other projects, if you will. I hope you liked this video. See you in the next one, and happy coding.